Ford Ranger wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Ford Ranger wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Ford Ranger wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The life of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicles an aggressive and check-filled appearance. Using Ford Ranger wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or operate bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with Ford Ranger wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Ford Ranger wheel spacers to fit the massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 1 inch to 50 mm. The bloxsport range of wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the chip spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and will default in danger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Ford Ranger wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS Ford Ranger wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. Also, the BONOSS Ford Ranger wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.